everyone! Today, let's dive into the electrifying final night of the 2024 Democratic National Convention. Kamala Harris has officially accepted the Democratic presidential nomination, and her speech was nothing short of inspiring. Harris delivered a powerful message of patriotism and unity. She highlighted her vision for America, contrasting it sharply with the previous administration. Her focus is on freedom, safety, and justice. Harris emphasized her commitment to protecting the vulnerable, drawing from her extensive experience as a prosecutor. In her speech, Harris shared heartfelt personal anecdotes, offering a glimpse into her upbringing and the values instilled by her family. She reassured Americans with her pragmatic and experienced leadership style, promising a hopeful future. One of the most impactful moments of the night was the testimonials from individuals affected by gun violence. Their stories underscored the urgent need for gun control measures. The convention also tackled the issue of racial injustice, highlighting the presence of the Central Park Five as a poignant reminder of systemic biases. Harris's family played a significant role, with her grandnieces, sister, and stepdaughter sharing touching personal stories that showcased her warmth and compassion. The presence of celebrities like Kerry Washington, Eva Longoria, Tony Goldwyn, D.L. Hewley, Pink and the Chicks added to the excitement, reflecting the broad appeal of Harris's candidacy. Despite the celebratory atmosphere, there were some criticisms. A group of delegates advocating for Palestinian rights were denied a speaking slot, leading to protests and highlighting the challenges of balancing diverse perspectives within the party. But overall, Harris's speech resonated deeply with the audience, generating a wave of enthusiasm and hope for the future. She called for unity and civility in political discourse, a stark contrast to the divisive rhetoric we've seen in the past. If you found this recap insightful, please support this channel by hitting subscribe and sharing this video. Thanks for watching.